channel, the Baking Diva, and I want to give a big thank you to all my subscribers out there that are following me on this baking journey of mine. Today is an exciting day. Today we're doing something special. Well, first of all, our theme is going to be everything's better with butter. Do you agree, cameraman?
Oh, I surely do, especially with lobster.
Oh, okay. Well, we're not making lobster today. But anyway, today I'm doing a collab. And I'm doing a collab with Pam. And Pam's channel is Pam Over 50 Beauty and Lifestyle. Now, you might be saying to yourself, Diva, why are you doing a collab with a beauty YouTuber? Do you see the name on my apron? The Baking Diva? And people have asked me, where did you come up with your channel name? Well, I love to bake, and I love makeup, I love skincare, I love fashion. I think the cameraman will attest to that, right, cameraman?
You better believe I can.
I've been wearing makeup since I was in high school, so I do follow all the wonderful ladies on YouTube who are in the mature beauty community and some that are in the non-mature beauty community. But anyway, I love baking, I love fashion, I love makeup. I mean, why not? Some people paint, right? And they paint on canvas, and they love to do that. Some people color, they color in coloring books. The beauty divas, they just color on their face. It's like a kid in a candy store. We just like to play with makeup. So anyway, Pam approached me and she said, would you like to do a collab with me? And I said, I'd love to. Now, just because her channel is Pam Over 50 Beauty, just remember, it's beauty and lifestyle. So Pam does baking, she does cooking, and why would she not? Pam is a California girl. She's born and raised in California. She has 4 children and 2 grandchildren, and you'd never know by looking at the picture of her that I'm going to show you that she is a grandma. Her professional career in the beauty business started back, I think she told me, in 1987. She is a makeup artist, and long ago when Revlon used to be in all the department stores, she was a traveling makeup artist with Revlon. And even now, to this day, I think she works in local salons and she does the makeup. So she knows a lot about makeup and a lot about skincare. So when this video is over, I'm going to put her channel link in the description box. Make sure you go over and pay her a visit, because what we're both doing today is desserts that are ooey and gooey. That's what I said, ooey and gooey. I am going to make ooey gooey butter cookies, and they're really delicious. And Pam, well, I'm not going to tell you what she's going to make, but it's ooey and gooey. You'll have to go on over to her channel and see. So should we get started, cameraman?
Please do.
Okay, let's get going. This is a super easy recipe. There's like maybe 6 ingredients in it. Most of them you're going to have in your home. What you're going to need for this recipe is you're going to need a yellow cake mix. I happen to have a Duncan Hines yellow cake mix here. You can use any brand you want. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my yellow cake mix into my KitchenAid mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer. Next, I'm going to add to that 1 stick of unsalted butter. Let me just get my spoon here. Whoopsie. Hold on. It is very soft and gooey. Just wanted to check something. Yes, it's definitely unsalted butter you want to put in there. And I've softened that. All right, the next thing we're putting in there is 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And I've softened that also. Okay. And one of my favorites, vanilla. So I'm going to put in here let me double check. I think it's a teaspoon. A teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. I love vanilla. And last but not least, I'm putting in here 1 egg. So let me put that in. You follow me, cameraman?
I think I have it.
Okay. And now I'm going to mix all of this together until till all the dough sticks together. You know, like when you're making cookie dough. So let me get that going. This is mixing. I'm just going to scrape a little bit off the sides. I have to stand up for this, cameraman. My new subscribers, do you know who the cameraman is? We refer to him as the cameraman. And he is my hubby, Tim, and he helps me a lot with these videos. Are we perfect together? No. Do we have arguments over our filming once in a while? Yes, but he's good. I think I'll keep him. Right, cameraman?
Geez, thanks.
All right. Another minute on this. I wore my apron today in case this ooey gooey was a big ooey gooey mess. Okay. Looks ooey gooey. Okay. So let me take this off and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Don't want to waste any of this ooey gooiness, so let me take this off the beater. Okay. I've gotten so many new subscribers in the last couple of weeks, so I really want to thank all of you. I really do appreciate all my subscribers. And most of you know that I do try to make easy, baker-friendly recipes so that everybody can make them. You don't have to be a professional baker to make these. So as you can see, this batter is ooey gooey. Now you're thinking, Diva, how the heck are you going to make cookies out of that ooey gooey batter? Well, I'm going to show you. What you need to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And what I did is you can either lightly grease or put parchment paper on a cookie sheet. I like to use parchment paper. It's easy and it works very well. So let me move this out of my way. I happen to use a cookie scoop here. I like my cookie scoop. If you don't have a cookie scoop, the Diva cookie scoop, you can use a tablespoon. So what you want to do is you want to have 1 cup of confectioner's sugar on hand. I put it in a plate here. I'm going to keep it right next to me. I'm going to take my scooper and I'm going to scoop the dough into my scooper. And then what I'm going to do is, and it's gooey, I told you it would be ooey gooey. And what you're going to do is you're going to roll it into a ball. See how gooey it is? But you're going to put it in some confectioner's sugar. You're going to roll it in confectioner's sugar. And that makes it much easier to roll. So we have a nice ball of our Ooey Gooey Butter cookie dough in confectioner's sugar. There we go. And I'm going to put the balls on my cookie sheet. Now, once I'm done doing this, these are going to go in the oven. Let me just make sure of the time. Anywhere from 13 to 15 minutes. It depends on your oven. And then you're going to take them out. So I'm going to continue making these Ooey Gooey cookie dough balls. These are so easy. And they're so delicious with all that butter and that cream cheese in them. So you put them in your confectioner's sugar. And you roll them. And then they're going to go into the oven. I like to put them, a couple of inches apart. So as soon as I get the whole tray made, I'll be back and I'll put them in the oven at the 375 degrees. I'll take them out. I'll show you what they look like and I'll show you what we do next. Okay, I'm back. I baked the cookies for exactly 13 minutes and they came out perfect. And in case anybody was wondering, I do all my baking with butter. That's just a personal preference of mine. I just think butter tastes better, so all my baked goods have butter in them. I took them out of the oven. Now, after you let them sit on the cookie sheet for about 5 minutes, sprinkle them each with a little bit more confectioner's sugar. And they are looking good. So I'm going to send you over. I'm going to put the recipe in the description box, and I'm going to give you a link in the description box to send you on over to Pam's channel so you can see what Ooey Gooey cake she made. I don't know. You'll have to wait and see, but I think you'll love her channel. If you like this video today, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below and ring the little bell next to it. And this way YouTube will send you a notification when my next video is up. And all of you that follow me, I love comments. So leave me a comment and I try to answer every one of you back whenever possible. So I'm going to do a little taste testing now. These look divine. Let me hold up the dish for a minute. See if the cameraman can get a little shot of these without me having them slide off. You got them, cameraman?
Surely.
They puff up. They just puff up a little bit. You get some cracks in them. And I think they're a little firm on the outside, but they're ooey and gooey on the inside. So let me give this little baby a taste test. Oh. If you like butter, you're gonna love these. These are going on my Christmas cookie baking list for this coming year. They are delicious. They're moist, chewy inside, buttery, and look how easy they were to make. So anyway, I'm going to pass one over to the cameraman in a couple of minutes. Are you drooling, cameraman?
Oh God, am I ever.
And I really enjoyed doing this collab with Pam, and I hope to see you all very, very soon. Toodles!